Good morning, class 4. So, today we're gonna learn about solid, liquid, and gases, the three stages of matter. Okay, so in this, what we're gonna learn is we're gonna learn about the concept of states of matter like chalk, duster, book, water bottle, some kind of so any substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter. So, mass is equal to weight and space is equal to occupancy. Occupancy means the space occupied by the object. And then the three stages of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. So, how you will or identify that an object is in solid or liquid form? We can look into here. Okay, the properties of solid is being hard and have a fixed shape, and other the liquid, the properties of liquid can flow and have a shapeless. It's a shapeless, it can flow. So you have to remember these two properties of solid and liquid, and what you have to do is you have to find the properties for gases. Okay, and then what you have, so moving on, identify the solid, liquid, or gas in each example and then write them in a correct column to correct the table. So below the paragraph, as you can see in your textbook, there is a picture of mug, ball, and a glass with the lid. It's a tetra pack of a juice product. Okay, fruit juice product. So you have to identify the matters of the states of matters. Okay, and then you have to write. So the cup is filled with tea inside it, and then there is also a steam or vapor, you can say, and there is a picture of a ball inside it. It is filled with air, and then the juice pack with the lid and the straw. Okay, and there is a juice in it. So you have to identify those uh, things which is and categorize accordingly as three states of matter. States of matter. So all this all matters for substances is made up of small particles. Okay, the particles are arranged in different ways in solid, liquid, and gases. So as you can see in your textbooks, there is a the matters states of matter are characterized into three. Okay, and there is a separate characteristics and feature for that. So or solids are substances in which particles are packed very close to each other. Solids are usually hard and have fixed shape. Okay, pencil, book, chair, and marbles are some examples of solids. So there is a molecular very intact together. Okay, and this molecular arrangement, you would know the reason why the substance like sugar, salt dissolve in water without taking up a space. That means when you put salt or sugar in water or milk, it is easily dissolved. Why? Because it doesn't have any shape or uh, what do you say, shape or uh, mm, matter, sorry, shape and volume. Okay, shape and weight, sorry. So solid includes usually hard and have fixed shape and some examples are pencil, book, chair, and marbles. Okay, if you can see, I have written usually in capital letter Y because it doesn't have any fixed shape as well. So if the dough can be rolled out into chapatis, okay, if the dough of any flour or atta can be made into chapatis,